Welcome to Diski Diary, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to give it a like. Remember to subscribe. Big news reaching my desk is that Vela Kumalo and Dillian Shepherd are set to take over for the next game of Kaizer Chiefs following that loss. Veli Kumalo and Dillian Shepherd are set to take over, but that is not a fact. Those are the rumors. But Kaizer Motaung Senior, he is very upset, especially considering the last 2 and 3 performances of Kaizer Chiefs and of the coaches Ben Yosef Nokazi. Yes, bonile laphayana ikhosi liphumile ku-Africa. It looks like they are also going to be out of the running for a league title. Yeah, probably they can maybe play for the top 3 because we see Durban City and Sekhukhune. They're very much also in that running for that top 3 spot. Yeah, guys, the big news is that Vela Kumalo and Dillian Shepherd are set to be promoted to the first team on an interim basis. Ox Mthethwa is back. He hasn't played in a while. He has been back in training. Yeah, ngathi uzodlala laphayana. He is being ready and he is available for selection for the next game against Richards Bay. So yeah, guys, don't be surprised ukuzwa ukuthi uBen Yosef Nokazi, they probably those will be the big news tomorrow morning or tonight. We will see ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs izoba announce nini lawo changes. But yeah, those are the news. Those are the rumors because until Kaizer Chiefs confirm it themselves, we can't really break it as a fact. However, it is bubbling under as rumors. Laphayana ukuthi Veli Kumalo bazo take over. Bad game plan by Cedric Gaza and Ben Yosef. So Kaizer Chiefs, they lacked shots at goal for the entire first half. They looked toothless. And yeah, the coach Kaze has admitted Guti they were outplayed, and the reason why I think they were outplayed is because the coaches had a inferior game plan. And yeah, congratulations to Orlando Pirates and Coach Owado. It looked like they're going to push Mamelodi Sundowns all the way for a league title. Yeah, and then other news is that a certain goalkeeper from Chippa United, who is a free agent, Kaizer Chiefs are looking to sign a goalkeeper. Everybody was surprised by the decision to include Ubvuma in the starting lineup. Mina ngimazi uBen Yosef Nokazi bebacabangani playing Vuma in such a big game. Yeah, those are, we know that Ntwari has been injured for quite some time, and yeah, the keeper has been on an injury list. So yeah, probably that is why Kaizer Chiefs are going to sign Unwabali. So drop your thoughts on comments regarding Unwabali. Do you think Kaizer Chiefs should go for him? We know that they've been after his services. However, they decided to sign Untwari, who has been on an injury list for the rest of the season. And yeah, we don't really know when he will be back. That is why Kaizer Chiefs are currently discussing sign a goalkeeper. But in my opinion, guys, and I don't know what's yours, I mean, I think they've promoted a good goalkeeper coming from the DDC. Perhaps maybe the young man deserves a chance. But I don't know. Drop your thoughts on comments. Vela Kumalo said to be assisted by Dillian Shepherd. We know that Dillian Shepherd did well during the recent tour to the UK where they played the likes of Leeds and Manchester United. The performances Chiefs came back undefeated during that tour or from that tour. So yeah, it looks like the coaches, they will be rewarded with by your coach opportunity. You coach a first team on an interim basis. That is the big news coming from Naturena. We saw Unabi Ahleka ama co-coaches, his former assistant coaches. He posted a cryptic message. It reads like this: out of arrogance upon the earth, and evil plotting, but evil plotting upon evil facts back upon those who devised it, and Allah knows well their wrongdoers. They had sought discord and had upset matters for you until the truth came and the command of Allah prevailed. They planned and Allah planned, and Allah is the best planner. Yeah, that seems to suggest ukuthi uNabu ubona ngathi uBen Yosef noKaze bazoxoshwa. However, Nabi did give credit to his former goalkeeping coach and former fitness coach. But yeah, yena noKaze noBen Yosef ngathi akusazwanwa. That was his cryptic message on X. And yeah, drop your thoughts. Nabi looks like he is enjoying which he achieves. And yeah, they won't be winning any trophies. He is the last coach to give Kaizer Chiefs a trophy after 10 years. That is Nabi. Do you think Kaze and Ben Yosef betrayed Nabi? And do you think Kaizer Chiefs made the right decision? Uguti bahlale behind those co-coaches. If you remember, they were winning and they were playing well. That is Kaizer Chiefs, and that is why they were retained as co-coaches. I think Unabi, he's the one that actually gave them that platform, and I don't think that the coach should rather be professional and keep those things private, and especially between yena nama co-coaches. However, we can see ukuthi Unabi akekho happy ukuthi wahamba lapha ku-Kaizer Chiefs wasala uKaze noBen Yosef. That is all I have for today. Remember to give the show a like and remember to subscribe. Tell me, what do you think of the Orlando Pirates versus Kaizer Chiefs? We saw Pirates playing a very good game with goals from Apolis, Ulokuzana, and that final nail by Mahopa. So yeah, guys, 3-0 scoreline and Kaizer Chiefs giving a toothless performance. And also there was a penalty. I don't know whether that penalty by Da Silva, whether it should have been awarded, and whether if it was awarded because of by 2-1, that was during the first half. Would that have changed the complexion of the game? But that is the story of Kaizer Chiefs' games this season. Khali ikhosi likhala ngokuthi basirobhe penalty. Well, sizomuzwa laphayana uLokhuzana. Victor Hlongwane, he will have his say ngale penalty. Drop your thoughts. Do you think that was a penalty or not? Yeah, guys, that is all I have for today. Remember to like, remember to subscribe. See you in the next one. Cheers. Bye-bye.